Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. First, we have to work there. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And there is multiplication here. 4 over 5 multiplied by 5. Here, we can easily cancel this 5 and this 5. It equals 4. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2, but this is not correct answer because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses and then exponents, after that multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Here multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses, and 2 plus 3 equals 5, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 8 divided by 4 over 5 multiplied by 5. And here multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this. Here we have to use Key, C, F rule. Key stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. Here, first we have to write 8 keep, and we have to change division to multiplication, and we have to flip 4 over 5. When we flip it, it equals 5 over 4 and multiplied by 5. Here, first we have to work this, and we may simplify this 8 and 4, here 2 remains, and 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. And first we have to work this. 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10 multiplied by 5. And 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is 50. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and support me.